Guys, so today, right, I've bought a 100k ACG account, and what I'm going to be doing is I will be looking to take you guys on the journey with me from taking it from what we're going to take it from basically nothing, phase one, all the way to funded, and from funded, we're going to look for max allocation. I'm just going to see how it goes, man. Documenting the journey, gotta make it out. Well, if you can look at the dashboard here, you see the equities on $100,189. That's because, right, I took a trade this morning and I forgot. I forgot to record it. So if we come here to my trading view, what do we see? We see the trade that I've entered, which is on CAD JPY, right? I took longs based off the fact that weekly's bullish, daily's bullish, 4 hours bullish, 1 hour is bullish, and we see all the time frames in sync. We go with the trend, we trade with the trend, we don't trade against the trend because just asking to get slapped. Boom. So we see here, look on the 4 hour, we could see that it was bullish. Let me get where's this thing? It was bullish here, making higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, until this day, Friday the 21st of November, literally last week. It broke underneath, it shifted structure, bearish, and from there got a lower high, lower low, confirmed bearish as well now. I confirmed the lower high, but shoot, Wednesday the 26th of November, we had a fat push, breaking structure of the breaking the bearish structure, right? And now creating a potential lower high to then making a potential higher low to make a higher high. And we have caught it at a zone where you can see there's one bounce there, two bounce there, three rejection, and yesterday, when was this? That was this morning. I had a nice engulfing rejection. What's this? This could be. I had a nice indecision. We had a nice engulfing candle on the 4 hour, double bottom on the 1 hour, 30 minutes, bullish as well. Structure got shifted down here. Alright, that's where the structure shifted. And I waited for the higher time frame structures, 4 hour in particular, to get shifted before entering. Because I could enter here and still, based off the 4 hour, that could have been a retest of the neckline to then sell off. So we waited. Patience pays. You've got to sit on your hands until the market is right. Then you take opportunity. You win, if you lose, you lose. Me right now, so like I said, there's a double bottom on the hour. If I go on to the 30 minutes, it broke off the structure, I retested on a quick one, and I entered right there. Stops below this low. I am targeting these highs, right? And if we hit TP, so 1 to 3.7. But I put a bit of risk behind it because it's just a challenge account. I have other funded accounts. I'm just trying to build up capital, but I said, you know what, I might as well document me taking this one from nothing, something, you get it, and show you guys, because I know when I first started trading funded challenges, right, I just wanted to indulge and just watch what people are doing, see if I'm doing anything right, see if I'm doing anything wrong. But you see me, I don't mind risks. I don't mind putting a bit more money on that actual trade, right, like I've done in this situation. But let me see how it goes. If you go to my MT5, I'm actually in drawdown, you can see, but ain't nothing. Burger. The time now it's 10 o'clock. Markets won't really be doing much until the next couple hours, so I'm gonna go run a couple errands, do some things I need to do, and then from there I'll get back with you guys, update you, see how it goes. I'm gonna shout you in a bit. Yes guys, just got back in, right? Today I have to get one of these things. It's USB hub things for my laptop because I'm running out of USB ports plugged into my laptop. Too many things. But anyways, the trade hasn't done much. If you look at the screen, right? What do we see? We see that moved about. Call it. No, that's the wrong one. Call it 5 pips, and I've been in this trade since 8:30 this morning. Literally, it's 8:30 this morning till now. 7 hours, and we've done 5 pips. But market structure still looking good, just taking a bit longer. But it's 3:30 right now. I don't see it doing anything crazy for the rest of the day. When I last checked the news, tomorrow there's not really nothing massive that's gonna affect CAD JPY. But yeah, so it's not gonna be time frame. Maybe it could decide to then do another big green day like this again tomorrow, but who knows? Who actually knows? Yeah, CAD JPY is the only pair I'm really looking at right now. It's up about, how much is it up? About 6 bills, which isn't the worst first day. Remember guys, this is a marathon, not a sprint. We're not trying to get there super duper quick and search for trades and take trades out of the plan. I've done the hard part, done the analysis, waited for my entry, gave me my entry. All I can do is let the trade run. Literally, trading. The hard part is more preparation and maintaining your psychology. But after that, it's all the same thing on repeat, week in, week out. But yeah, I got today, gotta go training. It's Thursday, I gotta go training. I'm gonna fly training. Go check if I could hear the drama now. Boom, I've been on the road trying to get some stuff for my car the whole day. One man sold me something, was the wrong size. Went to the next man to get the right thing. He recommended, oh no, get this. I try to use that. I said, you know what? Cool. Why not take your word for it? Ask me if the thing works, the thing fits. The thing don't fit neither. I wanna go take that back, get the thing originally that I wanted to get that, and then go training. And then I even forgot my lip. Somebody bust my lip in training on Tuesday, but I swear I got sometimes. Then I'm gonna go training straight away, and tonight I'm going to my girl's crib, so it'll be a change of scenery. You won't just see the room, but that's life. That is actually life. Last night I didn't end up doing a market update, but we saw price at the top of here say 2.5 thousand, so about 2.5%. But then we did retrace back to a break-even point, but the 4 hour was still valid, so there was no reason to worry. And now we can see that we are getting the momentum back in. We're seeing the push, and it's only 1:30, so hopefully we can see what's going on for the rest of the day. I might hold over the weekend, I don't know. It depends whether the market gives me what I want to see. But right now, things are going good. First trade of the account, currently floating up 2.5%. Can't really complain, can you? So, how am I gonna do this? Okay, so market update. Seeing as it's now 2:30, you've seen in this past half an hour, New York traders step in. That New York session volume's kicking in, and boy, we're pushing up nicely. Recognition is pretty straightforward trade, keeping it nice and simple, but we do have nice momentum right now. Hopefully we can continue this momentum for the next couple hours, and if we need to hold, like I was saying earlier, we will hold. But that is just a quick market update. Currently floating up 4.5% on the account. Maybe, yeah, maybe even more, but it's really it, really. Nothing else left to say. But I will continue to give you updates and watch this trade and see how it goes. If this breaks these highs by the end of the day, which it's got some distance to do, if it's going to do it, it's got at least 50 pips to make. But we could see this trade pass phase one in one trade. If we can't
hold and it doesn't hit TP by the end of today's session, I'll hold over the weekend potentially. I don't know yet, and see. But I'm gonna hold over the weekend. It ain't showing me signs of reversal or nothing. And if it does, then so be it. I've done my analysis. Trust your analysis. And yeah, but as of now, we're just waiting and waiting and seeing. That's it.
Today is officially 30th of November, and I did not give the market update that I was supposed to give on Friday, but I didn't forget. If you see on the 4-hour, we can see a massive wick. It looks like it's rejecting this area. However, you gotta read the whole picture, man. Yes, it's got a massive wick. Yes, the 1 hour is pulling back. However, it's looking like it's rejecting this AOI, this previous level of support and resistance. Well, and we are anticipating that it's going to use it as resistance and push up. If price starts retracing a bit deeper, we could start looking to close out early. But right now we're floating up 4.5% on the account. But that doesn't mean nothing because it's not been closed, so it's not really secured. The profits aren't yours yet until you close the trade. So right now, I'm just going to monitor it on the Monday and see how it reacts when the market opens back up. But yeah, I'm not too fast. I don't mind holding over the weekend. It's not enough. I don't do it all the time, but when there's times like this and I'm in a trade and it's not doing nothing crazy and I can see that it has potential still, I'll hold over the weekend happily, no issues. But right now, end week 1, we are floating up 4.5% on the account with 1 trade taken. We could potentially have passed phase 1 by next week, and then in the next week's video we'll see me starting phase 2, and then hopefully by the end of the year we could potentially be funded with this account, and then we'll just continue the series. Until then, I'm out.